Yay. So, welcome back.
Thanks.
It's been a month since your first session.
Yeah.
Which is in the demonstration playlists at YouTube. And so how's it been for you for the last month? Anything change? Notice anything?
Yeah. I can't remember too many specifics. I haven't watched the video or anything.
Sure. It can be kind of weird to watch your own video.
I will. Yeah, right. I'm like, what do I look like? Oh. I can't remember super specifics about what we talked about.
Mm-hmm.
I remember one main thing, and that's basically like standing my ground with someone I have a hard time standing my ground with.
Right. So have you had
saying no to that person?
Did you have that come up? Did you have a
confrontation?
I
had some confrontation, just like everyday dealings, but I don't deal with this person every day. But it was easier to deal with this person for sure, and to keep my boundaries.
Excellent. That is such an amazing opening and beginning.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I can't remember what else came up.
I don't remember
I just remember
either.
that one really stuck with me because it was like that is a hard thing for me.
Right. What about just in general? Have you been feeling a little easier in general, or noticed anything else? It's this is subtle work. So after a couple of weeks, you might not even realize, oh, this is easier because of that.
Yeah, man, all the holidays, a lot has happened since then, like all the holidays.
Right.
But, I did something I've been wanting to do for years, actually, and I kind of would revisit this idea every 6 months or so, and then I just never did it. I would basically talk myself out of it working for me, and that's join a gym.
Oh, okay. I know what that's like.
So I joined the gym. And I'm going there afterwards, which is why I'm wearing.
But you joined the gym.
I joined the gym, and I've totally been going.
Oh, that's great.
Too. Yeah.
So I was actually going to join yesterday. My wife and I were going to go, and we procrastinated again. So maybe we'll go today.
Do it.
She's coming home early today, so.
Go do it. Go do it.
Yeah, I know. It'll be.
No, it feels so good, man. Oh my god.
But that's great. So you've been putting off.
I've just
years?
been wondering how I'll fit it into my life, and knowing that the way I have to fit these things into my life is early morning, which I'm not a super early morning type of person.
Right.
But I'm going to become. I have no choice because things aren't getting better for me unless I make it better. So.
Right. How's the roller derby going?
It's going really well. Derby. It's going really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That shift at all? You get more aggressive or anything?
They take a break over the holidays, so I haven't really been skating a whole lot. Yeah, I'm skating tonight actually, but I'm getting new skates today. They finally came in the mail, so we'll see. Yeah, those are gonna be awesome.
Cool.
I had a dream about them last night.
Well, you seem rather excited and ready for life, kind of.
Yeah, I do feel ready for life. I just feel like, you know what? I do feel like things have shifted for me. It is hard to see because it's subtle, but I feel like the aperture has widened.
Excellent.
I think
that's
the best way to describe it.
That is a great way to describe it, and thank you.
Yeah.
Can I use that?
Yeah.
Because I talk about our blinders open up.
Yeah.
But blinders sounds like, what are you, a horse?
Right.
Like somebody else put these things on you, but it's not somebody else. Right. So now you just
grown, gotten bigger.
It feels more comfortable to take in more information.
I think so.
Or more.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So I couldn't ask for better. Testimonial.
Yeah.
Especially in one session.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, and it is subtle, and I had to think about it, but I'm just saying, I don't know. I feel like I can say yes more in a good way, yes to the gym. I'm doing sessions with a personal trainer. I've never done that before, but I'm serious about my goals.
Yeah,
and
so now that you've revisited or thought or considered what's changed, now's the time maybe to go watch the video of your session.
Yeah,
and then remember, I know. Maybe you'll see the connection between letting this go and then having this other opening.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, totally.
That's great.
Totally. I'm sure it would trigger like connections. So, yeah.
Did you have any questions for me?
Gosh, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll do your second session today.
Yeah,
It's not
cool.
going to be on video. Sorry, folks. But if you'd like to see more private training, there's a private training playlist and demonstrations. The YouTube channel is free of limits, and you should find out what this is because it's brand new, and these results you just can't find anywhere else, right?
In so
Thank you
little
for the
time.
thumbs up.
In so little time.
That's the thing. It's,
I mean, really, he
yeah.
just pinpoints what you don't even know you're struggling with, or what you don't even know. Like,
well, thank you.
I couldn't have gone in there a month ago and been like, okay, these are my issues.
Right.
I'm like, I don't have any issue. I mean, we all have issues, but like, not.
Well, we don't think we can let
of.
go of them because our issues get so ingrained and
Right.
become
And
part
you
of
don't
who we
even-
think we are.
Yes, you don't even know their issues.
You don't even know you can let go of them, and
Yeah.
now you've stripped them away. You feel more like yourself, right?
Yeah.
It's not like you let a part
Right.
of yourself go.
No.
You let go of this thing that was holding you back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
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 So.
We should call this the Great Unpacking.
Yeah, that's right.
One of my clients a couple years ago said I should call it "Drop Your Rocks." So
Yeah.
that's what it's like. It's like dropping all this weight, and all of a sudden, wow.
It is. That is how I feel, actually.
Wow, that's great.
That's a great description. Yeah.
Wow. I never edit these videos, but I might edit this one to get like a 30-second.
Right.
All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
What a great
Thank
video.
you.
And
Yeah.
I hope y'all, come find out what this is. There's an online free workshop. Search for Free of Limits, and you'll find it. Thank you. Yeah, and thank you.
Of course.
Of course.
Thank you.
My pleasure.